Hi there, how are you holding up? Stay safe. I'm making lentil kebab rolls today. They are delicious, filling, and extraordinary. Looking to try out something different? Watch how I make it all from scratch. This one's just for you. Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? My special spice mix has 4 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 8 green cardamom, some cinnamon, red chili, peppercorns and some cloves. I dry roasted them and cooled them down. Now it's time to grind them. That's done. Next I'll grind some roasted chana, about half a cup. That's done too. So I've heated 2 teaspoons of oil and adding in some chopped onions, once they take on a light color, grated carrot, salt. So I've been cooking this for about 3 minutes now and the onion and carrots look cooked. Grated ginger goes in and chopped garlic. I'll just cook this briefly and then add in chopped coriander, soy granules or soya nuggets that have been chopped up like me. Turn off the heat and let it cool down completely. To make the paratha, I am using 2 cups of plain flour, maida. I'll add in a bit of salt, about a tablespoon of oil. Give it a mix. Add water little at a time to form a dough. Cover it and let it rest for 20 minutes. I am using red lentils with skin. I soaked the red lentils in water for about 20 minutes and then pressure cooked them till they were just done. I used about a cup of the red lentil and this is how dry they are even though they are cooked. So 1 whistle on the cooker and turn it off. I added in the carrot soy granule mix, chopped coriander leaves and onion greens. You could add in cabbage, broccoli, anything that you have. Season with salt. Our special garam masala, I'll add in about 3 teaspoons of it. A teaspoon of amchur powder, dry mango powder, kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves. Mix it all up. I'll go right in with my hands, and while you're mixing it, just try and give it a light knead. My mixture is perfect and it should hold on its own. Let me just check. If you feel that your mixture has some moisture in it, you could add in some breadcrumbs or boiled potatoes grated or the roasted chickpea flour. I'll add in a bit since I made it, not really required here, and mix it up. Reusing a plate always saves water. Let's make the kebabs. You could make them any shape you want. Long, round, thin. I'll go with this shape for today. I oil my palms, that helps. So make kebabs out of the whole mixture. I got 25 from the mixture. The dough has been rested and I'll just knead it lightly and divide it into balls. I got 8 from the dough. I'll start rolling. That's one done. Keep it aside. Get on with the rest. Cook the parathas with oil or ghee, your choice. I'm using vegetable oil. It's starting to puff up. That looks done. Take it out. I'll cook the rest of them. Once the parathas are done, just keep them to a side. Fry the kebabs for about 2 minutes on each side. That's a nice color. And give it 2 minutes on this side. Take them out. After a quick cleanup, I'll fry the rest. The kebabs are done and they look gorgeous. Look at the crust on both sides. Ideal for party snacks. I have 2 medium-sized onions that I sliced very thinly. I'll add in some vinegar. Mix it with the onions. I'll cover it and put it in the fridge for about 15 minutes. I'll use some black salt to sprinkle on the kebabs. The onion is out of the fridge. I also have some thinly sliced capsicum and cucumber. Lay out the parathas onto a board. I like to use some beaten curd or mayonnaise as a base. Today I am using an eggless mayonnaise. Place the kebabs. I'll go with 3 for one roll. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. Add in some cucumber. Capsicum. And finally the onions. Next time you try my recipe, send me a picture. I'll share it. Sprinkle some black salt. A squeeze of lemon or lime. Time to roll them up. One kebab roll is quite filling. I serve them for dinner or as a heavy snack sometime. There goes one. See you soon on my next video.